We are going to go through every aisle of Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you everything you need to know this summer. Trust me. I'm going to cover it. Just stick with me. Dollar Tree is raising prices to some items to $1.50. The first category that happened to this week is plastic. I'm going to talk about everything you need to know to still save. The plastics are going up to $1.50. You'll see a little red tag on the item indicating it. I know that it is disappointing to see the prices go up. The truth is they are going up everywhere. Even with the prices being $1.50, they are still a good deal. The woven baskets are still $3 to $5 at Dollar Tree. It's still a good deal for what you're getting, especially the larger bins. These are $3 each, but I shop other places on my channel. Thrift shops, Aldi's, Walmart, and I always want to show you the best deals. The next category that is going up is the cleaning products. Now, LA's totally awesome. You can find at Dollar General for $1 per product. But products like the cleaning gloves are still cheaper than Walmart. They have toilet bowl cleaner that mimics the pink stuff. Laundry detergent sheets, perfect for travel. Almost 5-star rated. This is the perfect vacation grab. You get 15 and you only need one sheet. And you don't need to take liquid detergent with you. Florals have gone up to $1.75. I was a little disappointed in this. Also, the glass is going to go up in price this week to $1.50. So now might be the best time to pick these up. Most of the seasonal items are going to be $1.50. You can still find tons of deals though. Some of my favorite finds are the $3 and $5 items. They're really high quality for what you're getting. And I will always bring you the best stuff. These are a favorite for all over your house. I just share with you what I find. I love to keep these in the bathroom. Paper products are not going up in price until August, so you can still get them for $1.25. I don't know who needs to hear this, but the Dollar Tree peanut butter is an amazing gift dupe. The food items are not going up in price until October. You still have time. Next is the beauty section. These body washes, I think, smell great. It's great for summer. This one's really good. And with all the research I've done, at least for a while, all personal care items are going to stay at $1.25. The pill organizers are a great deal. These are like $7 or $8 at CVS. The name brand travel gear is insane. They have toothpaste for $1.25. We are by the auto items. They have a lot of Armor All products now. I love these wipes. They are great. Now, all automotives is not going up until the first week of August. I really like the name brands. This large bin is great and super sturdy. It's easy to carry. I love the handles and its size. The cards are so much better than 1 to 2 years ago. It reminds me of Hallmark. They have high-end looking cards. Boys just had birthdays in March. I used all Dollar Tree products for their birthdays. And they have the big number balloons for $5. There are so many awesome finds. This is a spot you want to find for party stuff. My friend, follow your heart. I'll catch you in the next video.